fish up and we're gonna take it with you guys.
Yay. You want to show them your favorite fish?
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Zachary!
Wow.
There's my friend! Mom, come look at this baby.
Look at that buffalo carp.
That's my friend! You like my friend? Look, see it? Look at it! Look at that
Whoa.
big baby. I'm gonna take the video. Look at it!
We're just one.
Oh wow, Mama! Look at that big baby! Oh, the beautiful ones are moving.
It's a fish family.
Oh my goodness! Exactly, this one.
Yeah. Which one's your favorite on there?
Probably that one right there.
On here.
You don't like food?
Look at that big baby! Look, Daddy!
Yeah, this one's my mom's. He's real old. He doesn't really.
The
Wait, no.
drum?
He's not used to the walking.
Catfish?
Oh, he'll walk with you. I'm like,
Nice.
Guys, come here, come
he's
here!
not really
A
wanting
big
to walk.
fish,
He's
come
lazy
here!
because he's old.
It's a giant!
Uh-huh.
Look at it!
Yeah, that's a big old carp.
Yeah, we have a baby
That's
at
my
home.
friend!
It's a big, beautiful carp.
Oh, ours is 8 months at home.
That's my little buddy and one in there.
They're largemouth.
You don't like dog food, no? Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, my mom's special cook for him. Oh. Yeah, he's spoiled.
This is a nice aquarium. We love to take the kids here.
Yep, he don't either.
I get some dry for.
I'll have to try that though. Well, thank you.
Don't be telling people to move like that.
He's
You talk
under
with
the
manners.
rock. Yep. He's under that rock.
Yeah, I can see his whiskers.
Me too.
That's a good eye to see that little catfish under there.
Look at those big. Look at
that's
that
what our
big
bluegill's
boy.
gonna turn into.
That is my friend back there. My friend. And my friend over there. Come here, guys.
That looks like a bass.
Fish.
Like we got.
Oh, yeah.
That big one back there is pretty.
Yeah. Alright, carp.
Daddy.
Big old drum swimming by. Hello.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Oh wow.
Oh, no running, you guys.
Oh, wow. You can
Well,
see
they don't have any gar in here this time. No.
Oh.
That gars are my favorite.
This is our Wichita water.
Can you read them? No? What about some of these different fish?
Here are all these fish.
Which ones do we have?
We got this one and this one.
Yeah. Which one's your favorite?
Hey, this one's my favorite.
Which
this
one,
one's
Chloe?
my favorite. This one's my favorite.
The carp? That's what you caught last weekend.
That baby yeah.
Yeah. Which one's your favorite, Wyatt?
That is mine.
Everyone likes my
That's
fish.
mine. That is my favorite.
That's yours?
Right. That's mine. Wait, that's mine too. What is that? There's more different fish. Look.
Or you guys want to continue on the trail, or you want? It's where it flooded. All the way up there. The river's all the way down there. That's pretty high. That's pretty cool.
Jackie, let me record this video.
There is the water center. Good job. You gonna jump it? You gonna jump it? It's a very nice park. Nice little nature trail. Mommy got Gizmo. Ready? Go! Are you gonna jump it, Wyatt? You scared? Jump, Wyatt!
Hey, Daddy, look! Daddy, look!
Can you read that part? In the early 1900s, groundwater contamination was discovered near downtown Wichita.
Wyatt.
Remember all the dragonflies? Yeah, that's some. Let's go on the bridge. Maybe there's still a bunch there. Like last time, yeah. There's a bunch of them. There's a bunch of them. Look on this side. There's like 3 or 4 of them.
Daddy, I got one, Zachary!
Whoa!
Mama!
Good job, Tony.
Well, you gotta catch them. You gotta be sneaky.
I just got one.
You gonna get him?
Hey.
Well, you're not being sneaky enough. Wyatt, don't run off. Don't throw crybaby fists, Tessa. You need to act like a big girl. Can you read this one, Katie? Caitlin, can you read this one?
What's it say?
What's to say?
One problem.
Pebble.
Pebble. The size of a
Sesame.
sesame
Ripples.
What's that
A
word?
pond.
A pond.
Chloe, quit being a little baby.
Nature cleaning. Mom, what's that word? What? Machine. Nature cleaning machine.
Yeah, what is it? A waterfall in a little creek system like this?
It has grass. And it looks like the nature trail back there. Wow.
What? Let's go see the waterfall and behind the big fish aquarium.
I found a
We'll see how that works. Remember?
nothing.
Well, I'm sorry you couldn't catch the dragonfly, girl. You gotta be a sneaker. This is our spot number 2. A little creek system. Is that nature's cleaning machine? That little waterfall creek system. Remember last time there was a bunch of fish back here. Let's see if they're still there, guys. Number 1. This is the behind of that aquarium. Looks like they took the fish out though. Maybe those are the fish that are in there. Don't go too far down there. It says all creatures need shelter, but it can be tough living in or near the water. Aw, man.
What?
What is it? What is the sign?
Aquatic cafeteria.
Stream ecosystem.
Stream ecosystem.
The
So
birds,
the birds eat fish. The
turtles.
and snakes and little fish eat the birds and stuff.
They're the high predators. They eat the smaller things. Those smaller things eat those smaller things. Those smaller things eat those smaller things.
Wyatt, stop.
What river critters eat depends on what they like, where they find it, and how they put it in their mouths.
Why is your skin really?
What else does it say?
What does a
River.
river near do?
It's often a combined effort that causes a river to curve as it flows. We've already been through these. That whole thing flows all the way, whole little creek system. There's the river. Imagine how bad that flood was. What is that girl doing? Yeah, remember that big old snake we seen last time down there? She's still trying to catch a dragonfly. There are literally hundreds around here.
There's a snake down there. Snake. Look at that snake.
Want to read that one? Come on. Grass and shrubs can act like a filter strip, reducing the amount of pollution entering the streams and rivers.
The end.
No, there's a whole paragraph on there. We've read it before, but what about that one? Go get that one, Katie. You can read it. We can get through our lives without diamonds.
Diamonds, not one, not two.
Without beads
of water.
You can live your whole life without a diamond, but you can't live a week without water. And another dragonfly bridge. They're all over the place. This way, guys. The end's over here. Let's go finish this up. It's over here. Remember?
Oh, it's over here.
Gizmo, come on.
Remember, we get to sit by the river. The stream leads all the way down to the river. That flood that came from the river all the way up there to that building, all the way up to halfway in the size, that must have been a lot of water. Come on, Chloe. Come on, Y.
The river.
Yeah, it's a little creek leading to the river. It's leading clean water to our Kansas polluted river.
Come on, guys. Bye.
Bye, Tressa. Are you still mad? No? We'll be going to the park soon, girl. Just finish our nature trail. We're at the end.
Number 10, the end of the trail. Thorns, rain,
Snow.
snow, rain, and
Stream.
streams. Sea,
Dew.
dew, most,
Mist.
mist,
Boiled for tea.
oil for tea.
The life of water never ends.
The life of water never ends.
It merely has different bodies.
Watch out, water!
Oh no! Watch out, water! Our urban river. Yeah. Don't go down. And watch out, don't fall off the edge.
Could you take us down, Zachary?
Guys.
Ribbons of water on the prairie. Don't go down there. Hey, Chloe, don't go down there.
Can we go down there?
Let's go look.
That's all a stream water.
Watch your feet.
I'm not wearing the right shoes to come down.
Look at me and smile. Look at me and smile. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Let's go check out that island, guys. I haven't been to this part of the river in a little while. Want to see something. Water's up a little.
That's
I think I might come back and fish this. I wonder if they allow fishing in the river. I've seen the signs back there. Don't get too close to that edge, you'll fall right down. Is it time to go to the park, guys? All right.